Rafale Advanced Defense Systems and Israel's Ministry of Defense have announced the completion of the Iron Beam 450 high-energy laser weapon, marking a milestone in Israel's air defense capabilities as the system, featuring a 100-kilowatt laser source developed by Elbit Systems under the oversight of the Directorate of Defense Research and Development in cooperation with the Israeli Air Force, has successfully passed final operational tests and is now ready for deployment with the Israel Defense. In recent trials at a dedicated facility in southern Israel, Iron Beam demonstrated its ability to intercept a wide range of aerial threats including rockets, mortars, unmanned aerial vehicles, and even aircraft, with officials describing the exercises as validating a complete operational configuration and paving the way for its full-scale integration into national defense. According to the Ministry of Defense, the system will be gradually incorporated into Israel's multi-layered air defense network by late 2025, working alongside existing missile-based platforms to provide a new and cost-effective layer of protection against mass or low-cost threats. Unlike traditional interceptor missiles that cost tens of thousands of dollars per launch, Iron Beam operates on electricity alone, delivering a dramatic economic advantage, particularly in scenarios involving swarms of drones or prolonged rocket fire where sustainability and affordability are critical. Positioned within Israel's established defense architecture, Iron Beam will complement Iron Dome for short-range rockets, David's Sling for medium-range threats, and the Arrow system for long-range ballistic missiles, with military officials stressing that the new system is designed to supplement, not replace, these proven defensive tiers. With Iron Beam 450 entering service, Israel becomes the first nation to field a fully developed high-power laser weapon within an operational defense framework, a breakthrough that analysts suggest could reshape the global defense cost equation and establish a precedent for the future adoption of directed energy weapons worldwide.